Without you, my life's like a dry, barren plain. Dust swirls round my heart, and it echoes your name. The sun scorches hopes, and the nights bring no rain. Lone tumbleweeds drift through my endless refrain. The rivers have dried, and the wells have run deep. The stars in the sky whisper secrets they keep. No shelter in sight, just a wide open sweep. In this desert of sorrow, it's you that I'll weep. Without you, my life's a desert so bare, a wasteland of longing, no oasis there. I'm wandering lost through the heat and despair. Without you, this heart's a desert left in disrepair. The cactus stands tall, but it's lonely like me. Its thorns are defenses from the pain that can be. The mirage of your love is all that I see, a cruel trick of nature in this arid sea. The footprints you left are erased by the wind. Each grain of sand speaks of where love has been. I called out your name, hopes and dreams that I've pinned, but the silence just laughs as my journey begins. Without you, my life's a desert so bare, a wasteland of longing, no oasis there. I'm wandering lost through the heat and despair. Without you, this heart's a desert left in disrepair. Without you, my life's a desert so bare, a wasteland